Hello, beautiful people. A luxurious yacht is much more than a mode of transport. It is also a sign of wealth and position that only the world's wealthiest billionaires can afford. The most lavish luxuries found on the world's most costly yachts include movie helipads, theaters, music halls, multiple swimming pools, saunas, and hot tubs. Let's have a look at the top 5 of the most expensive yachts in the world. In this channel, I upload very amazing videos, so make sure to subscribe my channel. So, in this video, we will discuss about top 5 most expensive luxury yachts. Are you curious? Then sit back, relax, and watch the whole video. Let's jump on the video without wasting any time. Number 5. Topaz. The Topaz super yacht has a $527 million price tag. Lürssen Yachts finished her construction in Germany in May 2012. The exterior was designed by Tim Haywood, and the interiors were created by Terence Disdale Design. She measures 482 feet long, 70.5 feet wide, and has a gross tonnage of 11,589. The Topaz has an incredible 8 decks for a variety of fascinating viewing experiences. The interior of Sheikh Mansour's boat features a large jacuzzi, full air conditioning, underwater illumination, 2 helipads, a modern gymnasium, cinema, and a business conference area. The price of this expensive luxury yacht? $527 million. Azam. The world's largest yacht to date is this 590-foot mega yacht. Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the President of the United Arab Emirates and Emir of Abu Dhabi, owns the property. Lürssen Yachts is the company behind this massive project. Azam features its own missile defense system, a bulletproof master suite, and can reach speeds of over 30 knots or 35 miles per hour, making it one of the world's fastest yachts. The price of this expensive luxury yacht? $600 million. Number 3. Streets of Monaco. The Streets of Monaco luxury yacht, which measures an astonishing 500 feet in length, manages to fit several miniatures of famous landmarks from all throughout Monaco. That's not all, however. Due to a 3-story bedroom with a private elevator, an office, sun decks, balconies, a cafe bar, mini waterfall, barbecue pit, underwater viewing deck, helicopters, submarines, guest suites, dressing rooms, reception rooms, and so much more, the vessel is dubbed a floating city. $1 billion will buy a lot of yachts. The price of this expensive luxury yacht is $1.1 billion. Number 2. Eclipse. Eclipse, the world's second largest yacht, is owned by Russian billionaire Roman Abramovich. The yacht has 2 helipads, 24 guest cabins, a disco hall, 2 swimming pools, and hot tubs, in addition to an intruder detection system and missile detection system. It was designed by Terence Disdale and built by Germany's Blom & Voss. The 533-foot yacht also contains a mini submarine capable of sinking to a depth of 50 meters. Armor and bulletproof windows are installed in the yacht's main storage room and bridge. The yacht also has an anti-paparazzi shield, which is made up of lasers that sweep the area. The price of this expensive luxury yacht is $1.5 billion. Number 1. History Supreme. The History Supreme is the world's most costly yacht, made of solid gold, and is said to be owned by Malaysia's richest man, Robert Nock. History Supreme is 100 feet long and was built over 3 years with 10,000 kilograms of genuine gold and platinum, which adorn the dining room, deck, rails, staircases, and anchor. The master bedroom features a meteorite rock wall, a Tyrannosaurus Rex bone monument, a 68-kilogram 24-karat gold Aqua Vista panoramic wall aquarium, and a liquor bottle adorned with a rare 18.5-carat diamond. Price of this expensive luxury yacht is $4.8 billion. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to get updates on new videos. That's it from this video. We hope you like it. The comment section is all yours. Do tell us your suggestions about the next videos. Bye!